guys, it's Raven. As you know, you can't see me because we're doing a room tour. So, this is my room tour. Hold on, it doesn't look clean, and I want it to look clean for you guys. So yeah, BRB. Alright, so my room looks better now. So now I'm going to show you my house, my room tour. I was about to say house tour, but only my room. So let's go inside. Here we are. And there's windows right there. There's a big fan on the top. Now I'll show you the closet. It's really dark in my closet, but on camera it looks a little bit lighter. So there you go. As you can see, it doesn't look very dark on camera, but in real life it really looks dark. So I can't really see it very well. If you don't see anything in the closet and you see walls and you don't see anything else, then sorry about that. It's super dark in here. And let me see, what's this? I think this is my toy box, but I have bigger toy boxes up there. Whole bunch of toys. And my clothes. So the ones that I like this right here, this pants. I really like it, and I also like the pants that I'm wearing right now because it matches with my shirt. So yeah. So that's my closet. And this is where I put my clothes when I'm done wearing it each day, and I put on a different outfit. So yeah. I'm going to make it lighter in here. Okay, there we go. The light is on. So there you go. So this is my chair. I have some of my headbands that I like to wear in some videos. So I need to make a video with this one. That would be very nice. Got this one. Yeah. And then my necklace. It's right here. So yeah. And you might understand this video more when you watch that video, one of the shorts. So, and it's called Junior Gave Me My Necklace. Go check that video out before you watch this one. So yeah, bye if you're going to watch that video. So we'll move on. Sometimes I like to wear this on my waist, and I wore it on my waist before. So yeah, my little jacket. And here's the place where I sleep. When I'm done sleeping, I make up my bed, and it looks like that. So yeah. And then my working room. Okay. There you go. And here's all of my books for each day. This one is for Wednesday. This one is for Tuesday. This one is for Monday. This one is for Thursday. And this one is for Friday. And I don't have the other ones for the other days because that's when I don't go to school. And I do go to class online on Microsoft Teams. So I have that fan over there, and you can also put some water in it, and then you can like spray, So when you push this button right here, water will come out of this right here. So yeah. But if you see that little green thing, it's like stuck to it. If you see that, then yeah, I'm sorry. It's really weird. I don't really know what it is. Oh, it's one of my green papers. I remember what happened, but I'm not going to tell the whole story because it's a long story. And these are my books, my homework, all that stuff, my tools, all of this stuff, a lot of bags, my pens, and don't even ask, I don't know why my socks are inside of here. Are you serious? A toy too? Okay, yeah, this is really awkward. Oh my gosh. Let me put these away. Hold on 1 second. Alright, I'm back. So yeah, the pens, like that. Then the calendar. Like that, all of the stuff. So yeah. And then the boards. I got my math board. I use this at math in class. My whiteboard, I use it to draw my math questions. And my little clock, I use it for writing, and I have to. So for example, I have to it's 12, and then just 9. That would be 900. So yeah. That's just an example. And I would write 900 right over here. And I already wrote something at class and I forgot to erase all of it because I was rushing. So yeah. Okay. Okay. My lamp can turn on and off. And then my computer, open it up. If it's still on, if I signed out, that's fine. Got iStation, seesaw. It's not like a seesaw at the park. It's like a place where you do homework. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's for tomorrow, not today. So ignore that piece of homework. And this is Microsoft Teams. My teacher is Miss Memes.